What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam PayPal bug. So, spoiler alert, Steam does not directly accept PayPal payments. You need to enter the details of your bank account which you have associated with your PayPal account. I'll show you how. So first, you need to head over to your Steam application and need to make sure first that you have installed the Steam application. And after that, you need to go to the library or to your cart where you have added your games. And after coming to the cart, when you click on continue to payment, here you will see multiple payment gateways like Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, credit cards, debit cards, net banking, or prepaid wallet. But as you can see, when you click on prepaid wallet, this must be a domestic one. And from here, you can enter all your PayPal details and make sure that you have enough funds in your PayPal account. And done, just simply click on continue, and then it will pay to the games on your Steam through PayPal. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.